So how's it going, everybody? Good morning. Today we're gonna be heading down to Cenote Azul. That's over in Playa del Carmen. It's a little paradise inside the little jungle that they have over there. So it's gonna be really fun, super interesting. So I'm excited. So here in Playa del Carmen now, we're doing the first little pit stop. We're gonna have to switch buses and get to the bus that goes to Tulum. And right down from the Adeo, they got McDonald's and a Cenote. That's like a Walmart kind of thing. So I'm going to McDonald's. We got our breakfast. It was 80 pesos and it was supposed to come with a coffee, but the coffee machine ended up breaking. That's McDonald's. So now we're looking for the buses that are going to be in this area here, which I think there's some over there. So we're gonna go check that out. Alright, so we made it down to Cenote Azul. We ended up going with a different bus because I don't know, I felt like it was way too expensive the other place we were looking at. So we got here from Playa del Carmen for 35 pesos each, which is not bad, about $1.50. And now here is where we pay for the entrance. So for outsiders, it's 150. For locals, it's 120. Kids, it's 100. And okay, there is in dollars, $9 and $6. So not bad. So one super important thing that you're gonna need to bring when you come here is gonna be sandals. I brought shoes, and I'm kind of stuck with it now. I took a shower and I'm all wet. Shoes are getting all wet. So yeah, the rocks and stuff, the floor it's not like the beach. So sandals are important. Man, look at that. I've never ever seen a cenote. It's my first time of seeing something like this, and the water is literally clear. It's freaking amazing. Look, you see all the little fish? Those are like little sucky fishes or catfish, something like that. Look, there's another one over there. That's awesome. That's cool. No, this place is a crazy looking paradise. This is what you see on Google and stuff when they show you like these weird little ponds and stuff. But look, it's blue. Like, there's no filter in the video, there's nothing. This is how the water is. What? It does not make any sense. Kind of overreacting, I think, but it's freaking crazy. Look at that. And today's Sunday, so they say there's a lot of people that come here on Sundays, but let's see what that means. A lot of people. Wow, look, you can jump from up there. They have a whole area over there, a lot of people with snorkeling stuff. So one of the most important things that you can't do here is put any type of protection on. You can't put any sunblock, you can't put any bug spray, anything like that, because it's gonna mess with the ecosystem here and the fishes. And that's one of the biggest reasons why you're obligated to take a shower before you come in, to get rid of any extra just dirtiness that you have on your body or any extra creams that are on there. Alright, so the floors are bad, but they're not too bad. I spoke too soon, now it's all rock and little freaking pebbles. So we're gonna start on the big jump. There's like a little ledge over there, so I haven't felt the water or anything yet. That's gonna be the first touch with life.
Sí, creo que es por el otro lado.
Sí, me parecía. Gracias. The place to jump is way on the other side over there, so ¿nadamos? No, me están mordiendo. The fish is coming, they suck on your leg. I don't like that feeling. It's like a bunch of little nibbles. ¿Qué pasa?
No me quiero meter.
Alright, first impressions, it's weird. It's weird with the fishes sucking on your legs. Okay, here we go.
Guarda las piedras.
Sí, sí, sí. one of the biggest mistakes coming with nothing. Oh my god, these are like spikes. Oh, I can't walk. We're gonna do the big jump right now. I don't know. Oh, it's more over there. ¿Qué te parece?
Creo que vuelvo a caminar.
You can do it. You can do it. It's just pretend.
A ver. No, no debe tener señal. 89.
Okay,
Qué raro.
89. You see, you're not even scared. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3.
No, me va a dar mucho vértigo.
Dale. Dale, dale, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Muy bien. ¿Cómo estaba? Was it that bad?
Very bad. So bad.
Alright, so far this place has been an absolute paradise. The one thing is that the water, it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot colder, honestly. And a lot of the videos I was watching before I came here, they were saying that the water's freezing and this and that because the way it's located and how it is and everything. I mean, it is pretty cold. It's not warm for most areas. There's areas where it gets really cold and some areas where it's not as cold. So those areas where it's not as cold, it feels a lot better. So yeah, I mean, the water temperature is pretty good. There's like a little cave in here. Oh, this cave is crazy. Oh, it gives you claustrophobia. Deep. Like, this is just the top area here, but down in that area over there it just goes super deep, and it's like a little room, and it smells like dirt. There's roots growing through here. Man, this is wild. This is literally like a dream with how clear the water is. Look at that. That's deep over there. Over there is the exit. I came through that way over there, which is dark. Wild. All right, let's get out of here. All right, so one thing to note when you come down here is that I think in the beginning there's one little place where you can buy some food and stuff, but it's not really, there's not too much here. So make sure you come with your own lunch, because you're gonna be here for a long time and you want to come prepared and have enough energy to do everything. So I made a little it's a sandwich, but it's kind of destroyed now with the Ziploc bag. But yeah, make sure you bring your own food when you come down here. Earlier I said that the water was pretty good and good temperature and everything, but no, at the end of it, once you start getting cooled down, you kind of get used to the water and everything you're doing, you start to feel how cold it really gets. I was freezing, and a lot of the people that were there were also super cold. We're finishing up here at Cenote Azul. We're at one of the beginning little pond areas, or cenotes, that we started at, finishing up with some mates and some mosquitoes. So enjoying it. All right, so thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and subscribe. It's gonna really help me out with the channel. I'll be back with the next one. Peace.